Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into setting up SSH for remote server access. Let's get started. Introduction to SSH. SSH is a network protocol that provides a secure way to access and control remote computers. It uses public key cryptography to ensure that only authorized users can connect. Generating SSH key pair. First, we need to generate a public and private key pair on our local machine. This will be used to authenticate our connection to the server. Adding public key to server. Next, we'll copy the public key to the authorized_keys file on the server. This allows the server to recognize our public key and grant us access. Connecting to the server. Finally, we can connect to the server using our SSH client and the private key. Additional tips and considerations. Use a strong passphrase to protect your private key. Consider using a key agent to avoid entering your passphrase frequently. Configure SSH to use port forwarding for tunneling other protocols. Explore SSH tunneling for secure remote access to other services. That's it. You've successfully set up SSH for remote server access. By following these steps, you can securely connect to your server and manage it from anywhere. Remember to replace user at server with your actual username and server address. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.